Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Frontier. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 4.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, 4-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, privacy glass, 4-wheel disc brakes, tire pressure monitor, tires front all season. Inside you'll find keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.